Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to charge Expedia virtual card. So what you're gonna have to do is to simply go to account.tab.travel and then simply click on create new and select virtual card charge. Then simply enter the details for the booking associated with this charge and click charge virtual card. So you're gonna have to simply enter all this information, and basically what you're gonna have to do here is very important is to select Expedia, then simply enter the amount and then simply enter the card details and then simply click on charge virtual card, and basically that's all you have to do. And as you can see, it's really important to enter the correct amount to charge, as if it's even 1 cent higher than the value of the card, the payment will fail. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.